fly. I know I'm super fly. The ladies love moves like I invented smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly. Can't tell me I ain't fly. Tell me I ain't fly. Can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super.
Picture.
Oh, that one. Okay.
It don't look like it's taking it, but it's taking it.
Okay, the diva came out. Come on over.
Yeah.
Last station not right.
Jasmine in my photos.
No, I'm telling you, I got the angle.
No, I got you. I got you. I believe you.
Come on, y'all.
But if DeAndre's photos is better than mine, oh wait.
Okay, here's.
Yeah. I gotta up my game.
I say, come on, girl.
Right Yes, yes. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Yes.
Y'all did. Y'all worked hard. Y'all worked hard.
Yes. Okay, come on.
Come on, girl. Congrats. Come on in the middle.
It's like shake 'em.
Like the class?
It was very interesting. Me being the only guy in there, it was like kind of like, oh wow. You know? But I enjoyed learning how to do Sisterlocks. I enjoyed the whole class, and we all came together. You know what I'm saying? And I love it.
Yay! I had fun with you too.
Thank you.
Oh, it was a great experience, once in a lifetime chance, and it started my journey.
Yes, making some money.
That's right.
How about you?
Had a good time. I'm ready to make my money.
Okay, all right.
Deuces.
I love the class. I love this lady right here. I just became a part of a Sisterlock family that I will love forever.
Yay! Aww. So how did you like the class?
It was amazing. It definitely exceeded all of my expectations. I came here with goals in mind, and now I'm ready to go back home and put everything into motion. So when I get back home, I'm ready to put my goals in motion and take my business to the next level.
Also, she has these beautiful shirts she's been wearing because she got a clothing line, and I haven't got a chance to look at it yet, but I do want to. And I'm thinking about, you know, wearing a couple on my channel and maybe doing like a little giveaway with something that she has. So you want to talk about your?
Yeah, so I used to teach, and I still love the profession, but I was getting tired of certain things that were going on behind the scenes. So I decided to walk away and do something that I really enjoy, which was hair. And so trying to make that decision was very difficult. I felt like I was stepping out on faith, and so that's how I came up with my business name. FLY stands for Faith, Love, Inspire. Have faith, love yourself, inspire others. And so that's what I wanted to do when I was crossing over from teaching into the hair industry. And so wearing my brand just gives me, it helps promote myself and it helps inspire others. So
and it's cute.
Thank you.
It's super cute.
Just one of many.
Right, for real. She been sporting it all week, and I'm like, oh my god. Thank you.
I was home with my kid, Mamiana, drama, nah.
excuses, I'm a bother, yeah. I ain't dragging, I'm lit, but the game been a real one.